Hey, welcome back to SA Viral Videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Let's entertain the DA and ANC coalition for a little bit.
You also want me to interpret the language you hear?
Yes, just so we're clear. What are you saying?
Kiss the boer, kiss the farmer.
Wait.
Hey, he's not Nick Shaw.
I'm listening to you.
I thought it's English.
It is?
Yes.
And what does that mean?
It means kiss.
Kiss how?
Mwah.
The ANC is reportedly going to join the DA, IFP, and tiny NFP to form a government.
But it's just hormones coming by.
Hormones.
Whenever I get close to a phone, I just become a pure girl.
Oh, honorable member, withdraw that statement. Or you come to a phone,
Yeah.
you become a girl.
Yeah. It's just I don't have a phone.
And then, okay, if you move away from the phone, you become a boy.
Yeah.
If a government of national unity means that we must have Steenhuisen and Helen Zille who represent a counter-revolutionary agenda as government, we're not going to form part of that nonsense.
We are at such variance ideologically. We have different constituencies to deliver to. We've made promises to our constituencies which we will not be able to deliver on.
The DA is friends with these people. They like America. They're friends with America. Not too long ago, they had a little kiki ha 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 meeting. They're also friends with these ones. These ones in Stellenbosch. They are friends with these ones.
This relationship is not going to take us anywhere.
Remember, when you are cabinet and government, to introduce legislation in parliament, it must be signed off by the minister. So if you have got a minister of land who is a beneficiary of the colonial apartheid land thievery, how are they going to introduce legislation that seeks to distribute land equitably?
That's absolute nonsense. The majority of African people in South Africa live in the urban areas, and they live especially in the metros.
You are lying. You have never communicated now. You are lying.
And they know nothing about farming.
Shame. Shame, man.
When I enter lapha lena ke zayenza lapha and then sizadibanisa kuwa phambili.
So siyazi lento ngokwefleta ne-DA. There are other alternatives. Why DA?
Now, how do you start this taxi? Tell me.
Look at this.
The only definite no we are saying is that we will not let South Africa fall under a coalition of the ANC, MK, and the EFF.
I mean, whatever you call it, a coalition or national government, whatever it is, But why would you go in a coalition with a party that does not resonate with your foreign policy, that does not resonate with what you are supposed to be doing for your people, how you campaigned for votes? And this is the other thing. When these people were looking for votes, they were going door to door, doing door to door campaigning. But when it comes to making a decision in terms of how they should move forward, they never go back and to the people and ask them how they should go about it so that they serve their voters. Because at the end of the day, these people are sent to parliament by their voters so that they can do what the voters want or what they promise their voters. For example, South Africa has a case with the ICJ, International Court of Justice. We are taking Israel to court for alleged genocide in Gaza. I mean, we can call it what it is. It's a genocide, what's happening in Gaza. And now you go to bed with a party that does not want that case there, because the DA is with America. So America does not want that case there. So obviously, how are we going to work going forward? It's so funny how, it's just like this image, as you can see, it's not possible to do something like this. It's impossible. I mean, we all know that South Africa is not with the West. We are not with Britain and in America. You know, we're in the BRICS bloc. Do you understand what that means? We're in a BRICS bloc. The whole idea is to fight these economic hegemonies that are around the world. Most of them don't even allow us to join their blocs, like your G7, G8, G20, you know. There are some nations that are also not even allowed to join the United Nations. We need to change all of these things. So we are going towards the east. We're with China, we are with Russia, Saudi Arabia, Iran, we're with Venezuela, we're with Cuba. All these countries are not with America, they're not with Britain. Why are we going with the DA? That was my only comment about it. That the whole video is just a comment to say, why are we going to bed with the DA? We could have chosen another enemy, not the DA. DA is the West. I mean, our forefathers fought for freedom, to fight against apartheid. Now it looks like we are taking the government, giving it back to the masters. What's going to happen to us? Are we going back to apartheid now? You know, these are the questions we have. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. Like, share, whatever you can do. Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. See you again next time.